Calling it a historic day, Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta launched a health insurance scheme, Ayushman Vay Vandana Yojana, by distributing Ayushman cards to elderly people aged 70 years and above, making them eligible for free medical treatment of up to Rs 10 lakh. Irrespective of the financial status or annual income of the beneficiary, the Ayushman Vay Vandana scheme proposed to be offered to 6 lakh beneficiaries in phases. The cashless scheme offers treatment to beneficiaries at 100 hospitals in the city and 30,000 hospitals in other cities. Let us listen to what CM Rekha Gupta has to say about this.
सभी 70 साल से ऊपर की एज के बुजुर्ग, चाहे वो किसी भी इनकम स्टेटस के हैं, चाहे किसी भी जाति धर्म के हैं, उन सबको समान रूप में बहुत ही सुलभ जो हेल्थ की सारी व्यवस्थाएं मिल पाएगी, इलाज मिल पाएगा। अब उन्हें किसी के ऊपर भी डिपेंडेंट होने की जरूरत नहीं है। आज वो अपने स्वास्थ्य को ठीक से देखरेख कर पाएंगे। सरकार ने उनकी गार्जियनशिप ली है और पूरा इलाज सरकार उनका करवाएगी। दिल्ली के बुजुर्ग खुश हैं, इसलिए हम खुश हैं। थैंक यू मोदी जी।
The scheme, launched under the leadership of CM Rekha Gupta and inspired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision, will provide free health coverage of up to Rs 10 lakh for residents aged 70 years and above. This Yojana will cover nearly 2,000 medical procedures with all costs related to treatment, medicines, diagnostics, surgeries, room charges and ICU services fully covered. Beneficiaries will be able to access services cashlessly at 47 impaneled private hospitals and 10 government hospitals across the city. Senior citizens above the age of 70 will be eligible for free medical treatment of up to Rs 10 lakh under this scheme. Now let us explore the benefits of the scheme. The Ayushman Vay Vandana card offers a free health cover of Rs 5 lakh to all senior citizens aged 70 years and above, regardless of their socio-economic status. Senior citizens aged 70 years and above who are already covered under the ABPMJ scheme receive an additional top-up cover of up to Rs 5 lakh per year for themselves. Senior citizens who are already availing benefits of various government schemes including central government health schemes, ex-servicemen contributory health scheme and Ayushman Central Armed Police Force have to choose between their existing scheme or can opt for ABPMJ. Plus, persons covered by private health insurance coverage or members of the employees' state insurance scheme are eligible to benefit from ABPMJ. Senior citizens can apply for the Ayushman Vay Vandana card by visiting the nearest impaneled hospital, downloading the Ayushman app, or visiting the beneficiary portal. For more such informative videos, do follow the business.